Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Isaac from IWM, and today we want to ask a very big question. Is it possible to create funk in less than 5 minutes? Let's go. Okay, I'm a music producer from Sweden, and let's try this funk thing out, shall we? Okay, let's go. Drum kit. Okay, let's quantize that one up. Okay, sounds good. Organ. Okay, what key shall we use? We'll see. Okay, I want to play that one again. 3 and 4. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want to change that sound a little bit. Yeah, this is the way. Okay, yeah, cool. And also, let's try. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And what lyrics shall we use? Well, every time I was a little baby, I nothing had to wear. Hey. Every time my mama tell me, you got nothing to wear. Okay, that lyrics is not my best, but it works. Okay, let's see. All together. Every time I was a little baby, I nothing had to wear. Hey. Every time my mama tell me, you got nothing to wear. Every time I was a little baby, I nothing had to wear. Hey. Every time my mama tell me, you got nothing to wear. Ever since I was a little baby, I nothing had to wear. Hey. Every time my mama tell me, you got nothing to wear. Okay, did we make it? Well, I believe we did. What's your thought on funk music? How do you approach funk music? That will be very interesting to hear, because I don't have all the answers. And what's your view on picking instruments and picking a singer, and what kind of way do you want the singer to sing in? Put it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe sorry, to the channel. It makes me make more videos like this. All right, until next time, feel this music. One more. Ever since I was a little baby,